Alright, here's where the original problem started. This is the intake for the Geo Metro, or G10. It's got a freeze plug in the bottom, and they had ran water in it, and it had popped out the soft plug. They ran it, overheated it, and that's why we had to do a head gasket on it. As you can see, this is another intake that we have with the soft plug in it. Now, pan back over to here. We did try to locate this one at the parts store, but they don't have it. So, maybe somebody can help me out. Tell me what size this is so we can share it out to YouTube, so if somebody's looking this problem up, that they can find it. But run antifreeze. Don't run water in them, especially if you live in a colder environment. You should always have some kind of coolant in there, as in antifreeze. At least at a 50-50 mix.